Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the new lecture. As you know that in the previous lecture we have studied the first step of aerobic respiration, that is glycolysis. The second step of aerobic respiration is Krebs cycle, but in between glycolysis and Krebs cycle there is another reaction or step that is known as linked reaction. So in this video we will study the linked reaction or conversion of pyruvic acid or pyruvate into acetyl CoA, acetyl coenzyme A, or you may say pyruvic acid or pyruvate oxidation. As you know that two pyruvic acid or pyruvate molecules are formed at the end of glycolysis. So now these pyruvic acids or pyruvate produced at the end of glycolysis are transported into mitochondria. Pyruvic acids produced at the end of glycolysis are transported into mitochondria. Within the mitochondria, pyruvic acid or pyruvate does not enter the Krebs cycle directly. The pyruvate does not enter the Krebs cycle directly. So what happens? Before entering the Krebs cycle, pyruvic acids or pyruvate generated in glycolysis is changed into a 2-carbon compound or a 2-carbon molecule called acetyl coenzyme A. So now coming into mechanism that how pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl CoA in the linked reaction. So as earlier mentioned, I told you that pyruvate does not enter the Krebs cycle directly. Before entering the Krebs cycle, pyruvate or pyruvic acid, which is a 3-carbon compound, is oxidized to carbon dioxide in a 2-carbon molecule called acetyl group. Before entering the Krebs cycle, pyruvate is oxidized. This pyruvic acid or pyruvate is oxidized to a 2-carbon molecule that is called acetyl group and carbon dioxide. This 2-carbon molecule acetyl group then attaches to coenzyme A, forming a group called acetyl CoA. This acetyl group, which is a 2-carbon molecule, then attaches to coenzyme A, forming a group called acetyl CoA. Actually, during this linked reaction, pyruvic acid is oxidatively decarboxylated. Pyruvic acid is oxidatively decarboxylated. It means that pyruvic acid is oxidatively means pyruvic acid is oxidized. That is, hydrogens are removed. Hydrogens are removed from the pyruvic acid. And these hydrogens are taken by oxidized NAD, which is reduced into NADH2. And decarboxylated means that carbon dioxide is removed, removal of carbon dioxide. So the pyruvic acid is oxidatively decarboxylated. Oxidatively means that pyruvic acid is oxidized, which means that hydrogens are removed from the pyruvic acid, and these hydrogens are taken up by the oxidized NAD, which is reduced into NADH2. The carbon dioxide is released into the air, right? So one carbon is removed during the decarboxylation process, that is during the removal of carbon dioxide. So the remaining 2-carbon molecule is called acetyl group, and that acetyl group then combines with coenzyme A, forming a group known as acetyl CoA. So once again, that before entering the Krebs cycle, pyruvic acid, which is generated in glycolysis, is changed into a 2-carbon compound called acetyl coenzyme A. How it is changed into acetyl coenzyme A? So during this process, the pyruvic acid, which is a 3-carbon molecule, is oxidatively decarboxylated. Oxidatively means that is pyruvic acid is oxidized, means hydrogens are removed from it. These hydrogens are taken up by NAD, and this NAD is reduced into NADH2, right? While the carbon dioxide decarboxylated means carbon dioxide is removed, so the pyruvic acid is changed into a 2-carbon molecule now, and this 2-carbon molecule is called acetyl group, and the acetyl group then attaches with coenzyme A. The coenzyme A is actually consists of a nucleotide and a portion of one of the vitamin B. So the acetyl group attaches with coenzyme A, making a group called acetyl CoA. This acetyl CoA then enters the Krebs cycles. This acetyl CoA then enters the Krebs cycle. This process is called linked reaction. This process is called linked reaction because it links glycolysis to the Krebs cycle. Because it links glycolysis to the Krebs cycle. And further oxidation of acetyl CoA takes place in a cyclic manner. That cycle is called Krebs cycle.